Cloud computing is amazing until you open your bill and realize it's rivaling your monthly rent. Suddenly, that pay-as-you-go model feels more like pay-as-you-cry. The good news, you don't need to break the bank to keep your applications running smoothly. Hey, I'm Jason with Cumulus Consulting, and today I'm spilling the tea of cloud cost optimization. With tips so good, even your CFO will thank you. Let's dive in and rescue your budget. Understanding cloud billing. Before you can save money, you've got to know where it's going. Think of your cloud bill as a pizza. It's sliced into compute, storage, networking, and all those fancy extras like AI services. But here's the thing. Some of those slices are going straight to the trash. Unused VMs, abandoned disks, and rogue services are silently munching on your budget like a midnight snack. Tools like AWS Cost Explorer and Azure Cost Management are your best friends here. They show you exactly which shoppings, services are costing you the most. Pro tip, set up cost alerts to catch surprises before they hit your wallet. Think of it as a cloud budget babysitter. Optimizing compute costs. Compute costs are usually the biggest culprit behind those tear-inducing bills. It's like paying for those all-you-can-eat buffets when all you needed was a snack. Here's how to cut back. Right-size your instances. Don't use a sports car when a scooter will do. Match your instance size to your actual workload. Leverage auto-scaling. Let your cloud platform automatically adjust resources based on demand. It's like having a thermostat for your compute. Use spot instances. These are like airline standby tickets. Cheaper, but you might get bumped. Perfect for non-critical tasks like testing. Here's a real-life example. I once helped the team save 40% on their compute costs by swapping their always-on instances for spot instances. That's the kind of magic your budget needs. Reducing storage costs. Storage costs seem innocent at first until you realize you're paying for every selfie and cat video ever uploaded. Here's how to get it under control. Use storage tiers. Move that old, rarely accessed data to cheaper options like AWS S3 Glacier. Think of it as your cloud attic. Delete unused snapshots. Those old backups you promised to clean up? Yeah, they're still there, gathering dust and eating dollars. Compress your data. Less data equals smaller bills. It's the Marie Kondo approach to cloud storage. If it doesn't spark joy, compress it. Pro tip, set up lifecycle policies to move or delete data automatically. No one wants to be the person manually decluttering the cloud. Cutting networking costs. Networking costs are the sneaky villain of your cloud bill. Every time data moves, you're paying for it. Here's how to stay ahead. Minimize cross-region traffic. Keep your workloads in the same region, so you're not paying for international roaming charges. Leverage CDNs. Content delivery networks like CloudFront act like the cloud's delivery driver, reducing costs for global traffic. Optimize API calls. Those endless API requests, they add up faster than coffee runs during crunch time. Here's a pro tip. Utilize VPC or private endpoints when accessing managed endpoints like AWS S3 or Azure Cosmos DB. Trust me, your wallet will thank you later. Here's a fun fact. One company saved 30% on networking costs by consolidating workloads into a single region. Fewer regions, fewer fees. It's that simple. Committing to savings plans. If your workloads are predictable, savings plans and reserved instances are like bulk buy discounts for the cloud. Costco shoppers, this one's for you. Reserved instances. Great for steady, long-term workflows like production environments. Savings plans. More flexible and cover multiple services. Enterprise agreements. If you're a heavy hitter, negotiate directly with your cloud provider. Think of it as haggling at the tech bazaar. Here's a pro tip. Use your cloud provider's savings calculator to see how much you can save. It's like finding a coupon you didn't know existed. Automating cost optimization. Automation is the secret sauce of cloud cost optimization. Why spend hours doing something manually when you can set it and forget it? Automated resource cleanup. Use tools like AWS Instance Scheduler to stop resources during off hours. It's like turning off the lights when you leave the room. Tagging policies. Tag resources to track their purpose. No tag, no budget. Continuous monitoring. Tools like Cloud Health suggest optimizations in real time. It's like having a financial advisor for your cloud bill. Here's a pro tip. Don't over-automate. The goal is to simplify, not create a script spaghetti mess. Cloud cost optimization doesn't have to be painful. With the right strategies, you can save money, improve efficiency, and maybe even buy your team a pizza with the savings. What's the most surprising part of your cloud bill? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your stories. Need help optimizing your cloud environment? Book a free call with me. Email is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you found this info helpful. YouTube thinks you'll like this video next, so go check it out. Consider subscribing to my newsletter for more tips on taming your cloud costs.